Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're going to unbox and check out and show you guys how to use the Butter Crock dishwasher safe. Now this is awesome. If you don't know what's a Butter Crock, this is basically keeping your butter spreadable, smooth, soft, delicious butter right on your countertop. You don't even have to put it in the fridge. No more hard butter from the fridge. You can't spread this. This is no good. All right, so we're gonna unbox this. This is pretty cool. For more details, price, don't forget to check in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe. It's 100% free. Click the subscribe button, which is the red button, and here we go. Wow, so this is like a ceramic material. Wow, I love the imprint of the butter, which is amazing. I love the color. Feels heavy duty, and we're gonna take this out right now. So what I did was wash it out. Always remember to wash it out first before using this. We're gonna fill our butter in there, and you see that little black line right there? We're gonna fill that up with water. So you have to, the trick is to put some water all the way up to the line. Just a little bit of water right there. That's about it. And then what we're gonna do, this is amazing when you have guests and you don't want to go microwave butter or defrost butter or ask your neighbors for butter. So we're gonna fill all the butter up in here. All right, so we filled all of our butter in there. We got the water in there, and what do? Just flip it over like that. Keep it in there. And you could put it anywhere on your countertop. It lasts for a long time. Say you're gonna make a bagel or a bread or something. All you do is come like this, and with the water, keep the temperature moist and keep it nice, and it's easy to spread. So this is a great way to keep your butter spreadable and easy and simple. This is amazing. It's actually one of the best sellers on Amazon. It's got great review. Check the description box. Comment below. Let's hear if you ever use a butter crock before, or you're about to try a butter crock. Thank you everybody for watching Product Zone. Don't forget, check in the description box. Get yourself a butter crock. Love it. It's amazing, and this will keep your butter spreadable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and more upcoming unboxing and review. Subscribe.